Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option, and once you find it, press the start button or tap on the system to enter. Here, find the option called time, and once you find it, tap on it or press the start button to enter. Now, find the option called set time, and tap on it or press the start button to enter. Here we need to select the manual option, and now we can see the time option. We can tap on it, and here we can adjust the time on our watch. To change the time, swipe up and down on hours, then minutes, and then PM and AM. And once you're done, you can press the start button or tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the time changed, and if you go back to the watch face, you will see that it also was applied. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.